real estate has always been one of the safest and most lucrative investments. But as we step into 2025, the rules of the game are changing. From rising interest rates to technological revolutions, the real estate market is evolving faster than ever before. In this video, we're diving into the top strategies you need to know to thrive in today's real estate market. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale your portfolio, stick around, because these insights could change your financial future. Why real estate? Simple, it's one of the few investments that can provide a steady cash flow, long-term appreciation, and incredible tax benefits. Even during economic downturns, real estate remains a resilient wealth-building tool. Take 2023, for example, while stocks fluctuated wildly, real estate continued to offer stability for investors who played it smart. But here's the kicker, 2025 isn't just about stability, it's about growth. If you're new to real estate, here's the good news, you don't need millions to get started. Let's talk about house hacking. This strategy allows you to buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rental income can offset your mortgage, making homeownership far more affordable. Another beginner-friendly option is investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Think of REITs as mutual funds for real estate. You can start with as little as $100 and own a slice of massive commercial properties, from office buildings to shopping malls. Still unsure? Consider short-term rentals like Airbnb. With platforms like this, you can turn a spare room or even a small property into a cash-flowing asset. For seasoned investors, 2025 offers unique opportunities. Multifamily units are your best bet for generating consistent cash flow. With more people choosing rentals over homeownership, demand is skyrocketing. For those ready to think big, real estate syndications allow you to pool resources with other investors to purchase large-scale properties like apartment complexes. Now, let's talk trends. Suburban areas are experiencing a surge as remote work becomes the norm. Properties with dedicated home office spaces are in high demand. Eco-friendly and energy-efficient homes are also taking the spotlight. With government incentives for sustainable properties, these investments are more attractive than ever. And let's not forget about smart homes. In 2025, buyers aren't just looking for square footage, they want automation, security systems, and AI integrations. These features aren't just luxuries anymore, they're becoming necessities. Technology is reshaping the real estate landscape. AI-powered platforms now analyze market trends and recommend properties that align with your financial goals. Blockchain technology is making property transactions more secure and transparent, eliminating the need for middlemen. And let's not forget about 3D virtual tours, they're revolutionizing how people buy homes remotely. Real estate in 2025 is more than just an investment, it's an opportunity to secure your financial future and design the life you want. Whether you're house hacking, investing in REITs, or diving into syndications, the possibilities are endless. So, what's your next move? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's build wealth together.